Why are there not more people talking about yawning? It's more fascinating than you think. Let's explore why. When you see someone yawn, do you suddenly feel the urge to yawn too? You're not alone. Yawning is super contagious. Scientists believe it's linked to empathy and social bonding. When one person yawns, it triggers a response in the brain of others, making them yawn too. But why do we yawn in the first place? It's not just because we're tired or bored. Yawning helps cool down our brains, keeping us alert and awake. And it's not just humans. Animals like dogs, cats, and even birds yawn too. It serves the same purpose, keeping their brains cool and ready for action. So next time you yawn, remember, it's not just about sleepiness. It's your brain's way of staying sharp. Share this fun fact with a friend and watch the yawns spread. Smarter every day.